What's good with y'all, young boy? Little Illuminati catchphrase I had to go ahead and knock out, cause why? That's just back in the day. If y'all don't know about y'all better recognize. Um, what's good, ladies and gentlemen? How y'all doing? How do I want to go ahead and say this? So, it's now March, and I've currently blown two funded accounts. What does that mean? That means my bad, I got a random text. But basically, I blew three accounts, well, two accounts. I'm on my third one now. And I always seem to blow them after a payout. But this one, I have more reason to not blow it. After a payout, after I get my little two bands, to be honest with y'all, I be trying to run the bag up at that point. That's all I be trying to do. So once I take out two bands for 8 days, I be trying to do like a 10, 15 band week. And I know that shit fucks me up, and I shouldn't be trying to do that. But I be trying to make the bag quick. What that mean though is I'm gonna try and stop that this go around. I'm gonna stop that this go around. I'm gonna aim for a payout, and then after my payout, I'm finna go ahead and try to keep this account. Like I said, I have some stuff going on that I need to have an account for, and I don't feel like spending real money, so 35 to 105 or 140 bucks is pretty decent for me. You feel me? Cool. Now that we got that out the way, uh, took a trade Monday. As you can see, it's 7:03 p.m. So technically, I took this trade Sunday. Do I let the market rest? No, because I trade motherfucking wrinkles, and we don't care about time. We just care about the 4G25. Bet. So yeah, I bought an account. Let's see, I blew my account Thursday. Bought an account Friday. And Monday, I passed it. So what does that tells you? I wasn't supposed to blow my account. I was just being greedy and undisciplined, and that's what happened. Simple. All right. So Monday trade happened. As you guys can see, 7:03 p.m. I got into a sell. It wiggled. Matter of fact, before I go, let me explain. Let me break it down. So gold is in a buy trend. As y'all can tell, I only trade gold, but I have my occasional US 30 spurt every now and then. But it's really only gold. Gold is in a higher time frame buy trend, but I couldn't leave this counter trend trade alone. We broke down and we started to buy up. So we went to a high and we began to reject. I got one, two, three rejections. We broke structure on a smaller time frame. Basically 5/1 minute, 1 minute slash 5 minute, we broke structure. So all that says was even though we was going up, if we were to sell, the lowest we should sell would be where this line is at. Cool. Since we broke structure, I said, okay, if we get the retest, I'll get in. This is a degenerate ass trade. So if I lose, I lose. But the fact that we're at a resistance level that was tapped many different times, as you can see, after the fall, made me feel like this was a resistance level, so I could sell off this. Sure enough, that's what I did. I sold. As you guys can see, we got the rejection. It began to sell down. And then reject back up.
Order filled.
Stop loss is always 50 ticks. Always. We're aiming for either a 1-to-1 or a 1-to-2 or a 1-to-3 or better. So we're aiming for 50 to get 100 or better. Now, as you can see, we never broke the highs. My cursor was above this to say if we break those highs, then I want to get out. It's 725 now. And of course, this trade, like you guys are seeing, wiggled the whole time. By 8 o'clock is when it's 59. I got my break. The breakdown at 8 o'clock was basically to tell me, okay, you confirmed your trade. So as you can see, I'm up 43, 46, and it rejected. Now, if you trading counter trend, scary as fuck for this one reason. You feel me? No matter how good you could trade, I didn't even get 50 ticks so I can put it at break even. It went down like 40 something. And that killed me. Because now my psychology all over the place. I'm not at break even. This is going back and forth. I don't know what to do. And I'm like, did I just lose this trade? And of course, look. Hold on. I'm down 40 ticks. And I'm ready to close the trade here. You feel me? So this happens to me a lot. It could have went up. It could have smacked my stop loss and then drop. That shit happens. That's $500 loss for no reason. And as much as I wanted to close this trade, I was like, you know what? I might as well fight through it. I might as well fight through it. And that's what I decided to do. I said, fuck it. If I lose, I lose. And if I win, I win. If I lose, that's only $500. I can always make that back. I'll just wait till it shows another setup. Keep in mind, it's been showing setups already. We're rejecting here. We haven't broke this box. This is the only time it looked like it's going to break this box. We're 30 minutes into the 8 p.m. It could shoot up. Asian session, and then drop. So all of these things are going through my mind, and then I'm just like, you know what? Just trust your trade. You feel me? We're still within this box. We're rejecting. We could bounce off of this, but we gotta go fill those out. And sure enough, waiting, it started to reject. We're at 838 by like, let's see. As you guys can see, it was playing, acting like it didn't want to go down. Started to shoot back up, started to shoot down. And all I can say here is, bro, I was just like, trust your trade, trust your trade, trust your trade, trust your trade, trust your trade. I'm skipping through, by the way. Trust your trade, trust your trade, trust your trade. 15 minutes into the 9 o'clock, 20 minutes into the 9 o'clock. Trust your trade, trust your trade, trust your trade. 9:30 in. We're 2 hours, 33 minutes in, or 36 minutes in. I was in profit 40 something ticks. Now I'm wiggling between 40 ticks and break even. Trust your trade, trust your trade, trust your trade. And boom, look. 9:47 p.m. This is where trusting your trade begins to make me smile. Keep in mind, we still have this right here to worry about. And in my mind, I'm like, okay, if we can get back to break even, we haven't broken the box, so the trade is still valid. You feel me? I don't know at this point what to do. I'm just like, fuck it. We're just finna sit here, trust your trade. Should I get out at $40 or should I, just hold it? And I'm like, bro, I'd be pissed if it comes down to break even after I was just down $400 for it to shoot back up and stop me out at 500, you know? And I'm like, just trust your trade. Trust your trade, trust your trade. We shoot down. Okay. Now, are we going to keep going or are we going to stay here and play? And we started to shoot down again. Now, my concern was if we break those lows, we can possibly keep going. And sure enough, we broke them. Now,
Action lost.
did y'all hear that? This right here is where I lost connection, somewhere around here. But did I know that? No. I was under the impression that it was going to keep dropping, grab the line, and then go do whatever it was going to do. Right? So I had my TP set. I ain't put nothing at break even. I'm like, okay, I'm chilling. I'm chilling. Somewhere here, my connection dropped. And I don't know if it was my connection or Riffmix doing, but that's been happening a lot lately. Somewhere here, within the 3 hour mark, my connection goes haywire. And I'm asleep. Like I'm falling asleep. Let's see, it's probably right here. Right here is where it died out on me. So all night, every time I was waking up and glimpsing, I'm like, I'm still at 75 ticks, whatever. It wasn't dawning on me that this wasn't not going nowhere. So let's fast forward. As you can see, nothing's changing, nothing's changing. I'm asleep. And then I wake up and I say, let me go check it. I go log in and look, I was up 110 ticks, close to my line. Of course, my TP should have been at 100, but I was up 110 ticks. I think my TP was at 120. And I didn't get it. It shot back up. So here I am wondering if I can get it to shoot back down. Begging and pleading, and I see another M forming at the neckline. Now that it's dropping, I'm like, yo, okay, come on, 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 come on. You seen I adjust the TP? I'm like, just give me the low. Come on, come on, come on. We at 90. Look, I'm hoping for it, begging for it. Right here, I got scared when it made the green brick. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Can we go back? Look, 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 look. I'm hovering over the close. I'm like, damn, I'll just take the 70. I don't want it to go back to 50, but it's beginning to drop. And I'm like, okay, hold on, nah, I'll hold it. I'll hold it. So I'm like, fuck it. It's going to give me the 100. Holding, holding, and it's playing, it's fighting. I'm like, we broke the neckline. We should push. Sure enough, look, look, 94, 96. I want to hit again, and then 92. It went back down to 95, 93, 98. My TP is just all I needed to pass the account. We were waiting for it, waiting for it. And this is 12:45 a.m. Pre-London, pre-everything. Matter of fact, got this sexy 100 tick trade like in an instant. I have to head downstairs soon. And we got 30 seconds left. So that's just about to happen in probably couple minio. As you can see, what was it? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 5 hours.
Target filled.
There you go. Now in real time, this trade really took 3 hours to play out. If it didn't disconnect, it would have been 3 hours. You feel me? But it took 5 hours. I still was patient enough to hold this bitch back down there. I ain't get the whole 120, but I got 104, 105. The shit began to reject as soon as I got out. So if we look at the chart, somewhere 28, 60 something, it rejected right there and then flew. So that's what passed my account. Literally, I took the buy up. That was 100 ticks. Y'all saw one contract. That's a ban on gold. And then I took the buy up and got what was it, 100 ticks with 2 contracts, and that passed my account. Something simple because it made a W. Now, with that being said, gold is in a big time range. I don't know whether to buy it. I don't know whether to buy it or sell it, but I gotta go. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.